Hello everyone, in this video, we'll install the Luckfox PicoKVM EXT Power Control Extension Board. Note, please ensure all following operations are performed with the power off. Before installation, confirm that the computer is completely shut down and the power cable is unplugged. Only after verifying all connections are correct should you proceed to power on and boot up. For ease of demonstrating the wiring, this video uses an Asus motherboard as an example. The interfaces on this side of the extension board feature a keyed design. You can see the USB extension cable and the front panel header extension cable are pre-connected. Completing this step before the formal installation can make installing into the case more convenient later. Next, let's look at the installation process, which consists of 5 steps. 1. Set the dip switch according to the power source. 2. Connect the motherboard front panel interfaces. 3. Connect the motherboard USB interface. 4. Perform mounting and installation based on the case structure. 5. Connect the PicoKVM host to the extension board. Let's begin. First, set the DIP switch. The USB-A and USB-C interfaces extended by the Luckfox PicoKVM EXT require power from the motherboard. Use the DIP switch here to select the power supply method. If using the board's USB port for power, set the DIP switch to USB. If using the board's PCIe slot for power, set the DIP switch to PCIe. In this video demonstration, the board's PCIe slot is used for power. Introduction to motherboard front panel interface extension cables. The front panel headers include power LED, power switch, HDD LED, and reset switch. Front panel interface 1 and front panel interface 2 serve the same function. Choose one to connect based on your actual setup. Note, the interface layout may vary between different motherboards. Please refer to the silkscreen markings on your specific motherboard for correct connections. Below, we use an Asus TUF motherboard to demonstrate the connection steps. First, locate the motherboard's F-panel header. When connecting, it's recommended to follow this order. First, connect the power LED interface, noting that the outer pins are positive, the inner pins are negative. Connect the power switch interface. Connect the hard drive LED interface, also with outer positive and inner negative. Connect the reset switch interface. If you want both the PicoKVM EXT and the case's front panel to control the power, you can connect the case panel's cable to the remaining front panel interface. This is the motherboard's USB pin header interface. It features a foolproof design. One pin is missing, so align the gap and insert it directly. Do not force it. If it doesn't go in, the orientation is wrong. Based on the actual structure of your motherboard and case, choose an unused PCIe slot for which the case has a reserved bracket mounting position. Insert the Luckfox PicoKVM EXT into the slot and secure its bracket to the corresponding position on the case. The final step, connect the extension board to the PicoKVM host. Ensure the interface is securely inserted. At this point, the hardware installation of the Luckfox PicoKVM EXT is complete. After powering on and accessing the web management interface, you can achieve remote power on and restart functionality.